All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a second or third floor walk up to this spacious 2-bedroom on the Fenway Brookline border. So as soon as you walk in, you got these nice hardwood floors throughout. Good sized foyer. That's where I'm standing right now. And that would be the living room, okay? There is a closet right next to the main entrance. It's a good sized closet. Put your coat, your winter coats or shoes or what have you. Let's check out the balcony first, balcony and kitchen. So it's a built-in hutch, some shelves, drawers. Have a window right there. That window doesn't get much of a view, but this balcony makes up for it. So, yeah, got a parking lot in the back. You could actually see Time Out Boston over there. You got a food court with a bunch of good food options. Back into the living room, into the sort of like a pantry area. You have a closet, another closet here, okay? So this could be used for more storage, but you have your kitchen right over here. Good size gas stove, fridge, good size fridge. Little pantry, closet, okay? You got some cabinets up top, some counter space. Sink right there. All right, everything looks good. All right. Some outlets, that's good to keep note of. That would be the back staircase, the egress. All right. And through the living room and foyer. And then we get to the bathroom. We have a built-in hutch over here. Drawers, shelves for linens and bathroom stuff. Toilet, sink with a vanity, standing shower tub combo. All right. So, all right, looks good. And finally into the bedrooms. So the first bedroom is a pretty standard bedroom, front facing windows. Got a cool fireplace. Closet, you get your own closet, really good size. All right. Okay, and to the other bedroom. The other bedroom has French doors. So this would close right into that spot right there. But a really good size. I believe it was 15 by 13 if I'm not mistaken. You got your faux fireplace, a radiator. All right, got your dog park over there in the corner. And closet. All right, so good sized closet. Heat and hot water are included in the rent. Unfortunately, they have not installed a washer dryer system yet. That might be coming soon, but your closest option would be a few minutes away walking. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough. And if you have any questions, please reach out to Angel. Have a good one.